This 2017 Tiffin Wayfarer 24QW is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Tiffin Wayfarer 24QW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.